Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best cheap vlogging camera with flip screen in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Canon VIXIA HF-R800 portable video camera. The high-affectability sensor gives remarkable resolution, better low-light performance, and delightful, the everyday detail in both shadow and feature regions. Canon IS, and Super Range optical image stabilization intended for the genuine Canon 10x HD video lens make each scene clear and enduring, and new implicit highlights make it simple to give your recordings included imagination. Some of the main features this budget flip screen camera are: Intelligent IS to analyze camera development and applies the best techniques for the shooting. Audio Scene Select. Sound Scene Select offers 5 modes that consequently enhance settings based upon thy recording session, making it simple to record material. Microphone and headphone terminals. The VIXIA HF-M500 camcorder provides extraordinary sound adaptability with microphone and headphone terminals. The amplifier terminal enables you to catch fantastic sound quality with an external microphone, and manual sound level control guarantees appropriate volume for any circumstance. Number 2. Our second best pick is Canon PowerShot Digital Camera. The PowerShot G7X Mark II camera includes a large 1-inch, 20.1 megapixel, CMOS sensor that helps catch fantastic pictures and recordings. Its broad, powerful range guarantees both brilliant and dim parts of a photograph are correctly detected, similar to the dark side of an expanding on a splendid bright day, or streetlights on a dull night. 20.1 megapixels implies photographs with enough detail to print or appreciate on high-resolution display on PC, tablets, and phones. It likewise gives extra flexibility and adjusting, giving you the alternative of editing in regarding your matter for enhanced creation while as yet having an itemized, high-resolution picture. Smooth degrees from light to dim keeps remote banding in strong colors to a base. On account of an accessible ISO of up to 12,800, expandable to 25600, and the energy of the new Digic 7 image processor, to a significant degree low-light photographs and recordings are conceivable, with low picture noise. Utilizing a high ISO takes a faster screen speed, which brings down the likelihood of blur caused by unnecessary hand camera shake. For added flexibility, both JPEG and RAW pictures can catch and spare. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony RX120. 2MP Premium Compact Digital Camera. The Sony CyberShot DSC RX100 turns into the organization's first passage, little smaller advanced camera with a physically bigger than normal sensor. The camera bundles a recently 1-inch exmor CMOS sensor into a 3.6x optical zoom conservative advanced weighing around 8.5 ounces and with measurements that make it efficiently compact. This sensor has approximately 4 times more region than the 1/2.3-inch sensor found in numerous smaller digitals and about 3 times more area than the more prominent 1/1.7 and January 1st 63-inch in different products. The camera is balanced out, offers normal smaller advanced programmed and scene shooting modes, and also grin and face location, alongside full manual controls and JPEG, RAW and RAW/JPEG picture catch designs. The video is full 1080 HD in AVC HD dynamic arrangement, and video catch is accessible using a one-touch constant video catch. The camera likewise offers 7.2x clear picture zoom and 14x advanced zoom shooting. There's a high-resolution 3-inch LCD screen, continuous shooting rates of up to 10 outlines for each second, FPS, at the full determination. Sony includes an AC connector, rechargeable battery pack, miniaturized scale USB link, wrist-lashed, bore tie connector and printed client's manual with every camera. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Panasonic Full HD Video Camera. The Panasonic HC-V770K is a camcorder-style camera which not only looks good but delivers great results. It records video in 1080p Full HD with 24 megapixels. For a diverse range of shots, the camera has an intelligent 50x zoom and an optical 20x zoom, so you can capture panoramic scenery or detailed close-up images and share them on your vlog. This camera is smart and takes the difficulty out of photography with the inclusion of the level shot function, which automatically corrects the tilting of a captured image. The advanced optical imaging stabilization also steadies handheld shots and video capture to prevent blurring, resulting in clear and sharp images which your vlog viewers will thank you for. The Panasonic camcorder also has built-in Wi-Fi. This means you can connect it to phone or home devices and share your videos with the world as soon as they have been recorded. If you're traveling, you can update your vlog as often as you like and have the video uploaded within minutes. If you want your vlog to contain professional quality video and audio, this is the best vlogging camera for you. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Canon PowerShot S1 1012MP digital camera with 3-inch LCD. If you are the sort of person who sees the opportunity for vlogging whilst you are out and about, then the Canon PowerShot S1 10 is the best vlogging camera with flip screen for you. It is compact and very simple to use, so you can carry it around with you and use it at any time or any place. All you have to do is point and shoot. As expected, this camera captures videos in Full HD at 1080p and boasts a Digic 5 image processor which creates extremely high-quality videos that will look great in your vlog. You can record them in a full range of recording modes, including 12-bit multi-aspect RAW plus JPEG. This gives you full creative control and allows you to edit your images and video flawlessly. The image quality is fantastic for such a small camera. With 800 ISO, this camera drastically reduces noise, sharpens details, and enhances color. It also comes with a 5x optical zoom to make sure more is captured in your videos and images, and the bright f/2.0 lens ensures your videos retain the highest quality when shooting in less than ideal conditions, such as low lighting. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.